DJI Digital FPV System Overview. Got that coming up next. Now, as you're all aware, DJI recently announced its DJI Digital FPV system. So without any further ado, I'm going to play this clip from DJI.
The absolute freedom of flying like a bird is a long-held dream of mankind. Flying FPV drones is a thrilling experience and brings you closer to this than anything else.
Today's analog video signal only offers low video quality, resulting in an overall poor FPV experience.
Although deemed an impossible task, DJI has developed a new digital FPV transmission system with low latency. The system consists of 4 highly integrated components. The lightweight and compact DJI FPV Air unit is easy to install and features an internal HD video recorder. The robust FPV HD camera features a 2.1mm lens. The FPV goggles are comfortable to wear and display the video feed in HD resolution in super smooth 120 frames per second. An integrated video recorder lets you capture what the pilot sees on the ground. The 8-channel remote controller is configurable via the FPV goggles. It also integrates the DJI HDL remote control protocol. Finally, FPV pilots can enjoy a better flying experience that combines HD image quality with low latency. The DJI Digital FPV system supports 8 channels, which allows up to 8 pilots to race simultaneously. The system is incredibly durable and delivers an uninterrupted video feed even when clipping objects. An easy-to-use audience mode lets spectators join the action.
DJI really put this together as a full package thing, so you don't need to waste time trying to select the correct part, do tons of research. It's all integrated, it's all ready to go, you're good.
The DJI Digital FPV system allows me to fly faster around the track with more confidence. I can finally see the other drones clearly on the track.
No matter if you are a beginner or expert, engage in an immersive HD FPV flying experience with the DJI Digital FPV system.
Quote, the DJI Digital FPV system was specifically designed for hobbyist and professional drone pilots. It consists of the DJI FPV Air Unit module, DJI FPV camera, DJI FPV goggles, and DJI FPV remote controller, RC, all of which are packed with powerful features and serve a significant role in the development of our HD low latency FPV system. We have redefined drone racing, delivering low latency rates, a stunning HD display, and most importantly, an unforgettable FPV flying experience. As a highly integrated video transmission solution, the DJI Digital FPV system is equipped with incredible components and powerful resources, saving pilots the time and energy of purchasing each module separately. A built-in receiver and easy-to-use flight controller system makes assembly effortless. Each component has been programmed to operate immediately when activated and memorize initial linking with other components, eliminating the need to pair modules or adjust parameters before each use. Now, the FPV Fly More combo is $929 and includes the FPV goggles, air unit, FPV camera, remote controller, and all wires and antennas required. The FPV Experience combo is $819 and includes the FPV goggles, 2 FPV camera and air units, all wires and antennas. Could a DJI FPV racing drone be far behind? Question of the day. What are your thoughts regarding the DJI Digital FPV ecosystem? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.